Hi everyone, today we're going to show you how to introduce yourself confidently. Meeting new people can be nerve-wracking, but with a little practice, you can make a great impression. Ready, Sam?
Absolutely, Alex. Let's start with the basics. When you introduce yourself, it's important to speak clearly and make eye contact. Smile and keep your body language open. Now let's do a quick example.
Sure, I'll go first. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm a graphic designer and I love hiking on weekends. What about you?
That was great, Alex. Notice how Alex included her name, what she does, and a personal interest. Now, let me try. Hello, I'm Sam. I work as a software developer, and I'm really into cooking. What's your favorite hobby?
Excellent, Sam. Adding a question at the end is a great way to keep the conversation going. It shows that you're interested in getting to know the other person.
I'm really excited to learn more about your work. What do you do?
I specialize in developing mobile apps.
This time, imagine you're at a networking event. Got it. Hi, I'm Sam.
Perfect. Asking about the other person's work can open up the conversation, especially in a professional setting.
Now, let's show how to introduce yourself in a more casual setting, like a party. Okay. Hey, I'm Sam. I just moved to the area and I'm looking forward to meeting new people. How do you know the host?
Nice. That's a friendly and engaging way to introduce yourself. It's all about finding common ground.
This time, let's imagine we're meeting someone in a class or a workshop. Sounds good. Hi, I'm Sam. I'm here to learn more about digital marketing. Have you taken any other classes here?
Great job, Sam. Asking about shared experiences or interests helps build a connection. Remember, the key to a confident introduction is to be yourself and show genuine interest in the other person.
Exactly, Alex. And don't forget to practice. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. Try these examples with a friend or in front of a mirror.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want more examples, leave a comment below. Bye, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on communication and confidence. See you next time.